Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that, and I want to share with you something incredible. Guys, just make this. See. Let's see, that's too low. Let's get this all right here. Hey, this is Cheryl from sunny Florida, and I am enjoying my beautiful day I have here around the pool. It's one of my favorite spots. It's so peaceful and refreshing, and it is, always, this is actually my last weekend here in Florida, so I had to do a video, enjoy this beautiful, let's see if I can get that where you can see there better, enjoy this gorgeous view I have. And I wanted to talk to you about starting a home-based business. What's important? Hey guys, thanks for getting on. I appreciate you joining me. I don't know where you're tuning in from. Would love to know. And appreciate you joining. Let's see if I can get I don't know if I can get there. Anyway, thanks for getting on. I really appreciate it. I'm in Florida enjoying this beautiful sunshine. Never get tired of it, no doubt about it. I'm always finding myself out here by the pool and enjoying everything about it. But I wanted to talk to you today about starting a business and what's important about that. And really, it's just kind of like when I go on vacation. What do I do when I go on vacation? Well, I have to plan it, right? It ain't gonna happen if I don't plan it. That's really key. Planning it. I got to get my reservations. I've got to, plan every step so it goes smooth, so that I can enjoy it well. If you don't plan, well, it's the same thing when you start a home-based business. You've got to make plans. You've got to do a schedule every day for what you're going to do, and you've got to actually circle time slots of when you're going to do it, because it's so vital you do that. Because if you don't be consistent, then what's that going to do for you if you're not consistent? Well, you know what it's like when you start an exercise program. And I love to walk every day. And let's say you do Monday walk, you do Tuesday walk, Wednesday you don't feel like, Thursday you totally forgot about it. Maybe you do a little on Friday. So tell me, what's that going to do for you when you do it that way? I'll tell you what, it's going to do nothing if you're not consistent. It's the same no matter what you do in life. If you're exercising and you're consistent, you're going to see results. Absolutely. Same with starting a home-based business. If you're not consistent, if you don't have your schedule planned out, if you don't have it written down, and you get up and this is when you do this activity, if you don't have that done, hope you guys, thanks for getting on, appreciate it. If you don't have that done, then you're not going to have results, because if you're not consistent, it's not going to work. It's just so vital. So you schedule your week, you put your goals out, you use your time slots. Like for me, see, I've got a business that I do that has a blueprint. Really, that's key. And so I plug in what I need to do, a couple hours a day. It's very simple. I'll make sure you guys can see this better. Hopefully. It's very simple, and you follow that. You're consistent. Very important in starting a home-based business, because if you're not consistent, what's that, a hobby? Well, hobby doesn't pay you, right? got to be consistent. I really want to stress that. So you want to set out your schedule. Like if you want to work, let's say, like I do sometimes, I'll work from 7 to 9 or 8 to 10, you know, and I do that really consistently. I do that 2-hour slot for my business consistently, and it makes a difference. I get results. Actually, today, I get paid $420 today because I'm consistent in my business. I do a schedule, I make goals, and I go after it, and I do it every day. I don't just skip it. Don't, you know, because if you treat it like a hobby, you got nothing. So I'm just saying that it's really important that you do it that way, that you plan it out. And another very important thing about it, if you do that, if you schedule your time every day and you devote time to your business and you do it, and it actually saves your time. Your week goes better, the plan just follows through, and it saves you time. You know what you're doing, you're in this groove, you know what to do, which is key. A lot of people don't know, but thankfully with my business, I know what to do. It's very simple, laid out, and I just time slot it. And I do it every day, and on my Stripe account today, I will get $450, which is amazingly awesome because it's consistent income, and that's why I wanted to talk about when you start. Don't start a business and say, well, I'm just gonna wing it, you know, because it's a home business and I could just wing it. Oh my, no, don't do that. If you wing it, nothing will happen. That's, you know, it's not gonna work. What if you winged your business, you know, your job? Well, your boss wouldn't like it, you'd be fired. You can't wing it if you're serious about making an income at home. Or for me, income anywhere, because I'm in Florida. I live in Alaska, but I'm in Florida, and I make my living from anywhere. I can be down here with my mom and my family. We can have this huge birthday party, which we did. Pool, outdoor dining, running around Florida, enjoying the sun, and all the fun that I'm having because I'm an entrepreneur. I have my own business. I'm consistent. I focus on my business, which is what I talked about last time. You have to focus. You can't say, oh, there's something else. Let's try that. You end up with nothing when you do that. You have too many things, and we already chatted about that. So I'm going to continue with the schedules, and it's so important to make a plan. Celebrate your wins. Make a plan. Do that. It's going to work so well. Save you time, which is awesome. Who doesn't love that? Plan your fun when you save your time, because that's what I've done here. I'm in Florida having fun, and I know exactly what I'm doing and when I'm doing it, and it makes it perfect for having a wonderful life. And I do love my vacations. I really am thankful, so thankful for that. And I just wanted to get on a few minutes. If you're on and I'm not live, just hit #replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I'd love to know where you're at all over, no matter where you're at all over the world, actually. It'd be awesome. Because I'll be going back to Alaska next week. So I've got a little more time. I'm excited about it and happy to be here. So I just wanted to get on, give you a little heads up about starting a home-based business. Hope it's helpful for you. So comment. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Being this is Friday, and enjoy your family, enjoy this wherever you're at. It's always something you can enjoy, right? Always. So enjoy. Thanks for getting on. We'll see you probably in Alaska. Thanks. Bye from all.